Assalamu alaikum dear student, how are you all? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akhtar, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morningshy. Today I am going to take an elementary science class for class 4 student. Dear student, our today's topic is the universe. Student, we don't know how big the universe is exactly. The universe is made up of everything that exists, including galaxies, stars, planet, space and energy, all energies and all matters. So let's start today's class. Student, you see, our topic is the universe. This is lecture number 6 and I will give some SW. SW number is 5 and this is your science book and this is chapter 8 universe. This is page number 56. When you watching this class, you can open your book and you can also follow your book. Student, at first we will read some topic of this chapter, then we will discuss short question. Let's start. The universe. At first, this is a question. What is the moon? The moon is a space object that moves around the earth. It is a large sphere made of rock materials. It does not make its own light. When it reflects the sun's light, we can see the moon. That means this moon gets light from sun. From the earth, we can see hills, mountains and valleys on the moon with a telescope. Normally, we can see at night, but if you use telescope, then you can see hills, mountains and valleys. Then moon phases. When we observe the moon in the night sky, the moon's shape looks a little different every night. The moon seems big and round on some nights. On other nights, it looks small and half round shaped. The changing shapes of the bright part of the moon that we see are called the phases of the moon. There are 8 phases of the moon. The phases repeat in every 28 days. Now we will see the phases of the moon. How many phases of moon there are, student? Yes, 8 phases. Now we will see that. Look at this picture. Here is no lightning part here. This is called new moon. After that, you can see this picture. Here is some lighted part. This is called waxing crescent. This phase is called waxing crescent. Then after that, this picture, look at this picture and you can see half part is lightened and half part is dark, and this is called first quarter. After that, this phase will come and this phase is called waxing gibbous. Then you can see here is the full moon. This is full moon. Then after that, this picture you can see this phase is called waning gibbous. Waning gibbous. And then you can see this picture. This is last quarter. That means This is the opposite phase of first quarter and this is called last quarter. Then you can see this picture, this is waning crescent. This is the opposite phase of waxing crescent. Then again new moon. So dear student, moon phases repeat in every 28 days. Now we know that. Then the solar system, now we will know about our solar system. What is the solar system? The solar system is made up of the sun, all the planets that move around the sun and other objects such as asteroids, comets, dust and gas. A planet is a large object in space that moves around the sun. A planet does not produce light of its own. That means all planets get light from sun. Our Earth is one of the planets of the solar system. The moon is the only satellite of the Earth. The moon is the only satellite of the Earth. Now, planets in the solar system. Now we will know how many planets in our solar system. There are 8 planets in the solar system such as Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune in order from closest to farthest from the sun. If you can see this picture, you can see this is sun. After that Mercury is very near to sun. Then after Mercury, Venus. After that Earth planet and then Mars, then Jupiter, next Saturn and then Uranus, after that Neptune. So this is the solar system and its planet. Now galaxy. When we look at the night sky, we can see not only the moon and planets but also many stars. You can see this picture, here some stars. At night we can see many of stars. You can see here is a shape. Imagine if you make imaginary line, you can see here some shape, name is Orion, Great Bear and Pegasus. So this is called constellation. We will know about constellation in our next class. Now dear student, we will discuss about short question answer. Short questions and answer. Our first short question is, we see the moon and stars in night sky. Why do other stars look much smaller than the sun? Answer will be, there are numerous stars in the sky. The sun is a star in the solar system. Other stars look much smaller than the sun because they are farther away. Our second short question is, the universe is made up of everything that exists, including galaxies, stars, planets, space, all matters and energy. What is galaxy? Answer will be, galaxy is the large assembly of numerous stars. There are many galaxies in the universe. They are clusters of stars, that means bunch of stars. The galaxy whose member is our sun is called the Milky Way. Dear student, you have to do some SW. Your SW will be, and this is SW number 5. When you will do your SW, you have to write the SW number in top of your copy. SW will be this short question 1 and short question 2. Your SW number is 5. Your SW will be short question 1 and short question 2. Here is a 2 short question. 1 number is here and 2 number. You only write answer. No need to write the question. Student, I am repeat this SW. Your SW number is 5 and your SW will be short question 1 and 2. So dear student, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice at home and do your SW in your SW copy and submit your SW every Sunday and from 8 am to 4 pm. And you have already informed that we will give you some marks based on your SW and this mark will add with your final exam. So dear student, stay home and well and see you again in our next class. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.